Welcome to StartupHakk. Today we're excited to launch our new crypto project called Smart Contracts Made Easy. And we're going to talk a little bit about it today, and we're officially launching this service. And so we're encouraging everyone to go and get signed up and get started, because what we're doing is making it easier for developers to launch into the crypto space. So let's go ahead and dig in and start talking about it today. So Smart Contract Made Easy. Smart Contract Made Easy is a friendly tool to create smart contracts, NFTs, native tokens, and Cardano blockchain transactions. It's a complete REST API solution for crypto developers, enthusiasts, and entrepreneurs. And it's free to get started, and so let's dig in a little bit about it today. So we've got an explainer video about why Cardano and ADA we believe is going to be the winner. And so the steps are really easy. First, you sign up and create your user accounts. Next, you deposit onto the mainnet if you're going to when you're ready to do your development on the mainnet. And then third, you add your external wallet, and this makes sure to add the same wallet address to your SCEZ account which you're transferring ADA from. And so once you hit this button and sign up, and we're going to go through the sign up of it tomorrow, so we're going to get the video ready for tomorrow for that. But this is the simple process to go ahead and get started, and you can start building on the Cardano network. It's that simple to get started. So company overhead, this makes it very easy for any company, any developer, any enthusiast out there to start developing on the Cardano network. So it's an API platform that enables developer solutions. So an API is an application programmable interface, and we're doing all the heavy lifting. We're doing the complex setup and the configuration for you to get started right now. So you can create your very own NFT in 5 minutes. So it allows smart contracts, it allows NFTs or native tokens, and then also allows just standard blockchain transactions, so you can send to any wallet through our API. So SCEZ is the best platform. It's one-click NFT minting, easy smart contracts, instant transactions at a low rate. So why use it? You can mint NFTs, build smart contracts, use the blockchain, very simple API programmable interface. So this makes it so that any website, any developer, any application developer can then use our system as the backend, so you don't have to build out that whole infrastructure. So where we're at in our roadmap. So we got our setup with our user sign up, the sign in, the depositing, NFT minting, and transfer. We're going to be working more about smart contract deployment and transfers. Version 3 will be a wallet transactions, transfer, auto wallet deposit checks, deposit history, transaction history. Notification channels is version 4, email, SMS, SignalR, and pub sub. So this allows some more interaction as we continue to build out the platform. Version 5 will allow you to trade NFTs, to buy and sell smart contracts. And number 6 will be a dAPP and converter and on. So if you have any questions on our roadmap, just make sure you hit us up on the contact page and via the contact information, and you can and we're glad to explain anything further on where we're heading. So there's a lot of different use cases for this as we've gone over, and we're excited to help developers to be able to make this easier. So if you want to get started, there's a couple different things, and we have our frequently asked questions. So like, how do you get started? Well, we've got some official documentation that we'll go over here as part of the announcement today. This is the awesome team. Myself, Amit, and McKay are the ones who have really been building this out, and we're continuing to build out this platform. This is our blog. We've got a lot of different actual news that I'll get to and show you here where some of that's at. And if you need to get in touch with us, quick message away, and we promise we'll get back to you quickly. Also, you can always stay subscribed to our email, but also make sure you can stay connected on our Twitter, on our Instagram, Facebook, and more particularly here on the YouTube channel. So these are the best ways to stay in touch with us. But let's keep digging a little bit more. So NFTs, this is actually the best tool to make NFTs really simple. And we really can't stress enough how we are the simplest way to create the most inexpensive, highest performing NFTs that you can build. So this is a really big thing that I know is popular in the market as we move into 2022. I believe smart contracts are going to continue to grow in importance, but I think this is going to be a great way to get us started and get launched, and a lot of people interested in the product. So we talked a little bit about the blog. There's actually a lot of different blog activity out here. And so we've been busy blogging. You see there's multiple pages of this. So we have a lot of information. So make sure you dig in and start reading up. More particularly, some of the most important ones is we actually have our 2 guides here. And the first one is step-to-step guide to minting on a CNFT or a Cardano NFT on our testnet. And I'm going to make a video tomorrow about exactly step-by-step through this. But you can see that there's instructions all the way through. So we provide first an interface where you can step through and just click by click and create your NFT and come out with an awesome NFT at the end, or a CNFT. And then also we have example snippet codes of what your expected post and response can be as you set up your platform, and then exactly what you would expect as you actually walk through the steps to programmably provide an NFT, create an NFT as well, and then how you can go into your dashboard and actually view this NFT. And I'm going to go through a little bit more of this tomorrow, and we're also going to be providing in the coming weeks some code samples and some sample projects. But in the end, you end up with an NFT that was minted through an API with 0 programming by yourself. So this is a fantastic step. This one is on the testnet, meaning it costs you nothing to try. You can go and get the test tokens to test it with. But then we also have the instructions, which are just slightly different, but similar, on the main net. And these ones then come off with a Cardano NFT that's actually on the real main net, meaning a real Cardano NFT that you can trade and transfer and sell. And so this is these step-by-step guides that we have for this. And I'm going to go through this more in a future video. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to follow along. Next, we have a lot of different other pieces out here. This is a step-by-step guide on how to stake with us. We've built our own staking pool. And so if you go to smartcontracteasy/pool or click up here on the stake pool up on the menu, you'll see that we have our own staking pool servers as well. So this is how you can make some passive income by staking your Cardano with us. And really, this is one of the best ways that you can help us in the project, other than jumping in and signing up and using it, is actually just to help us stake on our pool. This will actually help provide you some passive income, as well as help us to get these nodes more popular on the network. And so we have some of the best nodes, and these two are really very harmonious together. And so I'm not going to go through all of this, but the long and short is that this is our own staking pool. And so really it's this simple to get started. And we've done some videos, and so make sure you like and subscribe and check out the channel, because we also have YouTube video that steps through exactly all of these steps and walks you step by step through setting up and staking with us. You can see this is a very articulate guide. It looks really long and hard, but that's only because we literally capture every click for you to be able to see, including how to verify that once you're staked. And so we have our own staking pool. It's growing really quickly. We would like to see this grow even faster. So we really want to make sure that we get more people staking with us. So make sure you stake your ADA with us. And so these are the instructions that you can do, as well as some more built out in step-by-step instructions here in our blog. So these are all pieces of the Smart Contract Easy puzzle that are all working together to build a very great system. So one of the other things that you'll note up on the menu bar is the documentation. And as with every API, this is critical in being able to know the documentation. And so we're committed to make sure that you have all the information that you need. Here are the endpoints to be able to, so I can't highlight these enough, but these are the endpoints which you're going to start programming against. It's going to talk about some of the different concepts, what our error structures look like, what some of the limits are like for right now. We're really sticking to a couple of limits just to start. We will eventually remove these limits, and as you get onto the main net, these limits will remove as you have your Cardano. But we have our authentication piece, and then how to create an NFT, and all of these step-by-step through the individual pieces of what the API is. And we're going to go through a little bit more of that as we move in the future. We also have a fully built out Swagger. So if Swagger is your jam versus the documentation, we actually allow you to authorize, use your keys, and then you can begin to actually step-by-step through all of this. You'll be able to see the actual pieces that we're building out here. And so this is all of the different pieces that you're going to need to be able to build against. And so Swagger is a great way to be able to dig in and start getting started and this one particularly is on the mainnet. So we do also have it supported so that you can actually use Swagger and test against the testnet as well. So we will include some sample code on the best ways to do this. But for those who have developed against API, this should be pretty straightforward API documentation that makes it really easy for you to consume the Smart Contract EZ. So again, what we're really working on at Smart Contract EZ is making it easy for anybody to be able to build out your own solutions on the Cardano network. This will allow you to make sure that you can do any of the transactions you want to do, and we're going to be future-proofing this so that you don't have to worry about the back end. This will make it very simple, secure, fast, and on one of the best blockchains technologies that are out there right now, as we have been talking about. So this is a huge announcement. We're super excited. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel here on YouTube, but also make sure that you're staying in touch and following our project, because we're going to be exploding. This space is absolutely exploding, and I know that as we grow in 2022, we're going to be doing awesome stuff. So make sure you join with us so that we can all grow together as we continue to enjoy this exciting time in the crypto space. And we're excited to finally get to announce this. We've been hinting at it for quite a while. And so we're excited to announce Smart Contract EZ, which is this new project that we are launching here to make it easier for you to build on the blockchain technology. Thanks and have a good one.